Here are the 4 things nobody talks about when traveling by motorcycle in the Northwest Territories of Canada. You'll notice right away as you cross the 60th parallel that the roads are super narrow and turn to gravel patches quickly without much notice. Also, crossing bridges can be quite gnarly at times. You can see here in the 2 examples I just showed at the oncoming semis that the road is quite narrow and no paved shoulders. Speeds are also 90 kilometers per hour posted. As you can see here, forest fires ravaged this area near Enterprise, about 80 kilometers from the 60th parallel into Northwest Territories. There have been 70 fire alerts reported in 2024. This total is normal compared to the total for previous years going back to 2012. The most fires recorded in a year was last year, 2023, with 27,779. From 2021 to 2023, Northwest Territory has lost a total of 6.02 million hectares of tree cover from fires. Enterprise, a community of about 100 people on the highway north of Alberta boundary, lost 80% of its structures. The hamlet traces its humble beginnings to a gas station built soon after the Mackenzie Highway from Grimshaw, Alberta, was completed in 1948. Enterprise grew into a settlement and quickly became an important stop for people traveling by road to the north. In the decades that followed, motels and a general store popped up and more people came. Bugs, bugs, bugs. How's that Stompin' Tom song go? As you can see on my GoPro lens here, the bugs are insane up in Northwest Territories. Mid-July is prime time for mosquitoes, and they really don't start to taper off until the colder nights of mid-August and September. Here we are coming into Enterprise, Northwest Territories now. Happiness is a motorcycle, a full tank of gas, and twisty roads. Gas is far and few between in the Northwest Territories. From the 60th parallel to Yellowknife on Great Slave Lake, there are only 2 stops for gas along the highway: Enterprise and Fort Providence. There is fuel in Betchaco, but it is 10 kilometers off the highway. So if you have a small tank on your motorcycle, plan accordingly. From Enterprise to Fort Providence is 141 kilometers. And Fort Providence to Yellowknife is 309 kilometers.